another issue of Build the Ironman, brought to you by Fan Home. Today we are going to be doing the right elbow joint, and it is a very simple procedure. All we're literally going to do, we're going to get the pieces out. As you can see here, this is your right elbow cover, which is that part there. You've then got your upper, you've then got this part here, which is your upper right arm joint. This part here is your lower right arm joint, because this one's got a nodule, whereas that one don't. And then of course we've got our two washers. All we're going to do, guys, we're going to get the right elbow cover, and as you can see, it's got two little circles on it, like so. This is where the washers are going to go, so we're going to place one over there, and then we're going to place one over there. And then all you're going to do is get your left elbow joint, which is this part here. Make sure that this shiny part, flat side, is down, because the other part has indentations. We're going to pop that onto that side, and then we're going to pop the right side onto that side. And that is it, guys. That is all it wants us to do in that issue. So basically it will look something like that, and then we'll pop a cover on it in a later assembly. So I hope you like that video, brought to you by Fan Home, the Ironman, Build the Ironman. I'll be back with more Ironman coming next week. Hope you like that video. Take care. Bye bye.